Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to add a stop to your Lyft ride. This feature is great if you need to pick someone up, make a quick errand, or drop something off on the way. Let's jump into the steps so you can use it easily on your next ride. First, open the Lyft app on your device. In the search destination field, enter your final destination. Tap the plus icon next to the destination bar to add a stop. Under Via, type in the address where you want the rider to stop first. Confirm your final stop under the End section. Choose your preferred ride and tap Select Lyft to book. And that's how you add a stop to your Lyft ride. Super simple but very handy when you're not going straight to one place. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.